Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5. Starting at number 5. Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. If you want the same experience as your typical full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard but without wires, the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro is the best wireless gaming keyboard we've tested. While many wireless keyboards are built for traveling, the BlackWidow V3 Pro maintains all the size, bulk, and functionality of a full-sized mechanical keyboard including a premium tactile volume dial, media keys, an aluminum top plate, and double-shot ABS plastic keycaps. Razer doesn't skimp on the BlackWidow V3 Pro. It's packed with up to 4 profiles of onboard memory and vibrant per-key RGB lighting. However, RGB doesn't stick to profiles. Advanced RGB fanatics will have to rely on software for pairing RGB, including custom effects, to profiles. With RGB at max settings and no dimming effects, our test unit averaged about 14 hours of battery life, but you'll get up to 25 hours with RGB using power-saving settings. You'll want to plug in before the battery hits 3%. As power-saving settings kick in at that point and the keyboard starts acting a little wonky. Coming at number 4. Corsair K70 RGB TKL. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL is expensive but worth it. Its TKL build saves space but feels strong and resistant to damage. Corsair decks out the K70 RGB TKL with dedicated media keys and the ability to change RGB effects without having to download software. Corsair Champion Series products are designed for and tested by top esports professionals, helping to carry you to victory with a competition-grade keyboard featuring a portable and space-saving tankless form factor, a detachable USB Type-C cable, and a tournament mode switch. Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology transmits your inputs to your PC up to 8x faster than conventional gaming keyboards, with 8000 Hz hyperpolling. Interestingly, the K70 RGB TKL has its own multi-threaded SoC, which allows it to hit an 8000 Hz polling rate, 8 times the polling rate of many of the other keyboards on this page. At number 3. Cooler Master CK552. Some gaming keyboards come with a hefty price tag, but you don't have to break the bank for great equipment. The Cooler Master CK552 is a full-sized keyboard with an aluminum top plate, something that's often reserved for pricier boards, and that points to welcomed longevity. The CK552 comes with Gateron brand linear, clicky, or tactile switches, which offer a great mechanical experience. Want something even cheaper? You can find more mechanical keyboard recommendations under $80 on our best budget mechanical keyboards page. Number 2 of my list. Asus ROG Strix Flare 2. The Asus ROG Strix Flare 2 Animate has just about anything you could want from an affordable, pre-built gaming keyboard. It's a little pricey with an MSRP of $219, but it's still cheaper than custom-built enthusiast boards, which it rivals in quality. It's also got a flashy matrix LED display, a unique piece of bling you won't find on other boards. This keyboard comes with either Cherry's or Asus' own ROG NX red, brown, or blue switches. Throw in sound dampening foam and a hot swap PCB, and it pretty much covers all the bases. The only feature this board doesn't nail is its per-key RGB lighting, which requires fiddling with the clunky Asus Aura Creator app. But fiddling is worth the effort. The anime matrix lighting on this board lets you display custom GIFs and images in its upper right corner, and can even integrate with your game to display certain reactions to in-game events. And number 1. HyperX Alloy Origins. The HyperX Alloy Origins compact and quality build makes it the best gaming keyboard for mainstream gamers who just want to get down to gaming. It's comfortable, with a premium look and feel from its keys to its frame and vibrant RGB lighting. If you're familiar with linear switches, which are quick but offer little feedback, you'll feel right at home with this keyboard's red switches. We've also tested the clickier version with HyperX Aqua switches, which are available on Amazon and HyperX's store. Note that HyperX has two smaller, cheaper versions of this keyboard, the tankless HyperX Alloy Origins Core and 60% HyperX Alloy Origins 60. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.